Yeah, man. In this life we must overcome. Stand firm, unite and fight the system. Oh, rise above the chains, break away from pain. In the heart of Babylon we stand strong again. Freedom and justice we are shout out loud. Together we rise, we are proud and strong. Crown crumble the tower of Babel. From the ghettos and the streets, we cry for change. We're living in poverty, life feeling so strange. The system oppressed, we down with heavy hand, but we not give up, we are fight for your land. Equality and rights we demand for every woman, child and man. Rastafari way, we are living truth, teaching the youth the wisdom of our very roots. Rise above the chains, break away from the pain. In the heart of Babylon we stand strong again. Freedom and justice we shout out loud. Together we rise, we are proud and strong. Crowd crumble the tower of Babel. Yeah, yeah, yeah. In the land of oppression we are resist. With unity and love we will exist. The struggle is real but we settle back down. For the people, for the future we wear the crown. Hope and strength we carry in we heart. From the ashes of despair we are make a new start. Selassie I guide the path we are walking. At the face of oppression we are stand and tall. Ethiopia,